Hi everybody, welcome to Anna Rainbow World. And today we are going to read The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, a little old woman made a gingerbread man. She put him in the oven to cook. Look. Can you tell me who is she? She is an old woman. Can you tell me who is she on the tray? He is a gingerbread man. And tell me who is this funny thing that is not real? It's a chicken.
Okay. All right, I want to see what happens next.
Soon the gingerbread man was cooked. The little old woman took it out of the oven. The gingerbread man jumped and ran out of the door.
Wow.
Look at the picture. Who is he? He is looking. He is not still.
The old woman seems to be very surprised.
Not surprised at him. Surprised at him.
Yeah.
Look at the picture. He is looking. Look. Is his nose big or small?
That's a huge nose.
Oh.
Story time. Let's get back to the
big
story.
Nose.
What happens
It's
next?
the same nose.
Oh. Okay.
Stop, little gingerbread man! Shouted the old woman. I want to eat you for my tea. The gingerbread man is huge. Do you see the woman's other leg and foot?
Yeah, that's because she's running.
Do you see her other foot?
It's hiding behind her dress.
Now do you see it?
Yeah, no, you can see both her legs.
But the gingerbread man would not stop. The little old woman chased the gingerbread man, but she could not catch him. See how far the gingerbread man is?
He's getting away from her.
The gingerbread man looks like he's walking, but he is running.
He is.
Soon the gingerbread man met a cow. Stop, little gingerbread man, shouted the cow. I want to eat you for my tea.
Wow, look at that cow's face.
Purple. Look at the body.
Yeah, I've never heard a cow wanting to eat a gingerbread man before.
Purple. Purple.
Can a cow drink tea?
No.
That's so crazy. I can't wait
Look
to
at
hear what happens
Look at all
next.
these flowers. How many flowers are here?
That's a lot of flowers, Anna.
Let's
But I
count
want to hear this story.
Let's count them.
All right, you and the boys and girls can count them. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wow, that's a whole lot of purple flowers. Wow.
This one is colorful. Oh,
Yeah.
10. One here. 10 flowers.
That would make 20.
10.
Because you got 19
20,
before.
20.
But I want to hear the rest of the story. Let's go.
There are more flowers in this picture. But the gingerbread man would not stop. The cow chased the gingerbread man, but she could not catch him.
How many people are running down the gingerbread man?
2.
Who are they?
Cow, old woman. Look at these flowers. Let's count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is number 4?
Here, look at this
It's
blue
a little
flower.
budding flowers.
A blue flower. Soon the gingerbread man met a horse. Stop, little gingerbread man, shouted the horse. I want to eat you for my tea. Now these are real chickens.
Okay.
But look, boys and girls. This is a golden chicken.
Oh, that's not a real chicken. Okay.
Golden chicken.
Mm-hmm. And
Three. Let's count these chickens.
okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
3 chickens?
brilliant job,
Wow.
little boys and girls. I want to hear what happens next.
Look, I didn't mark in the farm or the chickens.
Okay.
Only the horse.
That's a lucky farm that didn't get touched.
I didn't touch these rocks either.
Oh,
But the
awesome.
slippers here and the
Let's hear
horse.
the story.
But the gingerbread man would not stop. The horse chased the gingerbread man, but he could not catch him.
Oh. So how many people chasing the gingerbread man at this point?
3.
Who?
3. Count my fingers. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. And who are they?
Horse, cow, and old woman.
Okay. What happens next? I want to
How
see the
many
next
slippers
page.
are here? Look, 2 purple slippers.
Oh my gosh. One of her slippers
I
fell
didn't-
off her feet.
Look, I didn't mark on these rocks.
Okay.
Very lucky rock.
Awesome.
Soon the gingerbread man came to a river. There he met a fox. I will help you to cross the river, said the fox. Jump onto my tail.
That's a long fluffy tail.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
I want to hear what happens next.
Look at this huge fox. Tiny ears and tiny and teeny eyes. Teeny eyes.
Try not to block the picture, Anna.
Look, I marked here.
Mm-hmm.
So the gingerbread man jumped on the fox's tail. The fox's tail. My feet are wet, said the gingerbread man. Jump onto my back,
Question.
said the fox.
Question. Why doesn't the gingerbread man want to get wet?
Because he will get wet, and if he falls into the water, he will get soggy and like this, and his legs will go apart, and his arms and his head and his body will stay in the middle.
Okay, he will fall apart.
Look at this waterfall here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, let's hear what happens next.
Look at this water. How many people are here when I write this here?
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4 people.
Who's that
If I-
fourth person?
Mhm.
Who's that fourth person?
He look at his eyebrows.
Okay, try not to
His
block the
body.
picture.
Look at his toes. He's not wearing any slippers.
Oh, but who is he?
I marked here.
You put him there, okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's hear the final page of the story.
So the gingerbread man. This is not the final
Oh,
page.
it's not?
This is the final page.
Oh, okay. Pardon me.
So the gingerbread man jumped on the fox's back. My feet are still wet, said the gingerbread man. Jump onto my head, said the fox. His tongue is sticking out because he's going to eat him.
Mm-hmm.
2 sharp teeth. So the gingerbread man jumped on the fox's head. Snap!
Snap!
Snap! When the fox, and that was the end of the gingerbread man.
Oh my
That
God.
scared me. That
Oh.
scared me.
The fox was so quick.
Now look how many things are here in this page. Let's count them.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is the thing. 14.
Oh, those are 14 blossoms or flowers. Yeah. All right, what next? Oh, some questions. Let's go through these questions quickly, Anna, and then we'll say goodbye to our friends, okay? Go ahead.
Yes.
Start with the questions.
How much do you remember the story of the gingerbread man? Answer these questions and find. Who made the gingerbread man? The old woman.
Awesome. Next question.
Can you remember the 2 animals the gingerbread man met on the land?
Okay, on the land, who were they?
Cow, horse.
Awesome. Next.
And one on the that is in the river.
In the
Fox.
river, the fox. Okay. Next.
Why does the gingerbread man stop running? Because he doesn't want to fall into the water and get soggy and fall apart. His legs, his arms, his head, and his body will stay in the middle.
Right. Okay.
I feel cold free
Great job,
with
Anna.
my toes.
What's the final question?
Who carries the gingerbread man over the river? Fox.
Oh, it was a fox. Awesome. Do we have another activity here to do?
Look at these pictures, and match them to the story words. This is a fox.
Okay.
Word fox.
Awesome.
This is an old woman.
Mm-hmm.
The old word
Okay.
old woman.
Okay.
This is the gingerbread man.
Mhm.
The word gingerbread man near him.
Right.
And this is a cow. Here's a cow. The word cow.
Awesome. Now that was a lovely story and a rainbow.
And look, there are a whole lot of
There are a whole lot
stories here.
more stories which you will read.
Which story were we reading? Were we reading this story? The Free Billy Goat Gruff?
No.
Were we reading Cinderella?
No.
Were we reading Little Red Hen?
No.
Were we reading Goldilocks and the Three Bears?
No.
Were we reading The Magic Porridge Pot?
No.
Were we reading The Ugly Duckling?
No.
Were we reading The Sleeping Beauty?
No.
Were we
I
reading The
can't
Silly
see.
Fox and the Red Hen?
No.
Were we reading The Three Little Pigs?
No.
Were we reading Town Mouse and Country Mouse?
No.
Were we reading Little Red Riding Hood?
Oh no.
Were we reading The Elf and the Shoemaker?
Uh-uh.
Were we reading Jack and the Beanstalk?
No.
Were we reading the Pied Piper of Hamelin?
No.
Were we reading The Wizard of Oz?
No, we weren't.
Were we reading The Gingerbread Man?
Yes! That's the story we're reading today.
Look at all of these marks.
Anna,
This crying looks like
guess
pee-pee
what?
ones.
Guess what? It's time to say goodbye to your friends now.
Bye, everybody. Like it, subscribe, and share.
Thanks for watching.